Welcome to the Blockchain Report. We discuss all things blockchain technology, digital assets, DeFi, NFTs, and much more. Today's video, we're diving into the Kroma Creative Universe quest or campaign. Not so much a quest, but kind of a venture through this little universe that Kroma has created. That it's a showcase, this unique and cool vibe universe that Layer 2 technologies brings to life for users. Basically, it ensures fairness by rewarding contributions. Games and projects in KCU grow together through a fairness contribution reward system. So you can craft ore, which you can do at the factory, given available resources, give them to your Kroman, which is your PFP or profile pick, and you can get it at the gate for free. You have 5 chances to bring your 5 Kromans to life. You can outfit your Kroman with pro gamers items and connect with KCU users, make friends, gather around the world. So we will show you how to explore this, and I had to do this on Firefox because I don't have you have to have MetaMask in order to go through this, so keep that in mind. So I don't have MetaMask set up on my other browser, so I'm using Firefox. But before we actually get started in this, thank you so much for joining. Please like, subscribe, comment, share this out to anyone you think would be interested in blockchain technology. All the fun stuff we get to learn and cool rewards we earn along the way. Like these, whatever the airdrop requirements are for this, you know, they'll give you a list of tasks to do and to complete. And whether or not you complete, however much you complete, will determine your airdrop allocation. So you can check more on eligibility criteria here, but we'll kind of show you how to go through all this and more. But if you ever need help, please jump in the Discord. Link is in the description below. Got a lot of amazing people in there helping give their support, answering questions. They can point you in the right direction. So with any questions you have. So thank you to everyone in there. And to those of you new, thank you for joining us. And we will dive right in. So the Kroma Creative Universe, you can go to their Twitter post. I'll post all the links and stuff down in the description. But they have the guide, kind of walks you through a little roadmap, the lore of it all. You can view the collections. So Ore Fragment, Ore, Mystic Alloy, Mystic Box. And then facilities, you got Agora. Share your thoughts and tips, like the community hangout. The factory, this is where you make your pro gamers items. You craft your ore according to pro gamers items recipe. Here we reveal the success rate for refining and revealing. And here's your refinery, action, fusion chamber, action. So the refinery, you get the product. So the fragments can make an ore. Ores can make mystic alloy. Mystic alloys make mystic box. So there you go. And then exchanging ore. Okay, this, you can exchange it. Airdrop is under construction. The gate is where you will mint your PFP. So let's check it out. So where's your little guide? So it's nice and interactive. We can go to the bridge. If you can bridge 0.01 ETH on Ethereum to Kroma, that would be good. Just because it's a nice little number. It's not too low. But if you can do 0.1 or a whole Ethereum, you want to be able to use the mainnet. And that is actually not bad. So $1.56 for transaction fee on Ethereum to bridge is excellent. Very surprised on that. So now that we have bridged into Kroma, now let's deposit. Now let's switch our network to Kroma and see what we're working with. So we have not gotten our ETH yet, but once that comes in, we'll go back to this guide. Now we can go to the gate and we can mint our 5. See how much the fees are. Okay, so nothing. Very little Kroma. Okay, mint the next 4. Hold on, I'm gonna see. Yeah, just click on that and it'll do all of them. So Rider, Detrom, Human, Detrom. Okay, so now we go to Oretopia or Oretopia. So let's check it out. So we've done some of those. So owned ores, says I have 43. So let's check it out. And we're in. We'll convert on here. Let's see. So we got our ETH. That's good. So this is killing my PC right now. Holy shit. My PC is cooking. So yeah, I've completed almost all of these. Except for this one because I can't submit my ID. So, okay, that makes sense. So that's 7. So I'm missing. So I have 43 right now. So you can get 5 ores. Community launch event, you can get 5 ores. And yeah, overtake. So I'm not going to do this. You can sign up for that if you want. Overtake, there's 1 quest. You can get 5 ores. So join the Discord, visit, follow, all this stuff. We'll take the quiz and see So the ore can be crafted in valuable items. What can you obtain? Mystic alloy. When crafting ores, mystic alloy. There are 5 facilities. You can craft the ore in which facility? The factory. Oh no, that's where you craft. Oh yeah, that's where you craft it. I was thinking of Oretopia is where you collect the ores. So there you go. Now you can just visit these and get your ores. This X2E all, you can get 5 ores from there. And community launching event, you can go through that on your own because that's a little weird. So we bridged in, we've met the Kromans, gathered ores. Now we can craft our own items. And while we do that, I'm just going to close these out. And we can check out the factory. So how many ores? So what do we need? So we're going to craft. Let's check out this breakdown in the factory. So 1 ore is 1 mystic alloy, but 2 mystic alloy is a mystic box. Let's see what we got. We're just going to do 2 right now, and then we can do the mystic box. So refine. Yeah, I think having both browsers is a no-go. But this isn't really helping either. Okay, and the fusion chamber, we can make a mystic box from 2 mystic alloy. So after this, so the factory keeps running even if you close this screen. Okay, factory, refined material, mystic alloy. So fusion chamber. Let's make some mystic boxes. So we have 10, so we can make 5 mystic boxes. So let's proceed and see what we get. Okay. So now we combined and we have to wait for another transaction. Okay, let's hope it combines. Success rate 60%. You get your Pro Gamers item by revealing the mystic box. Okay, we have a failure. So we can go to, let's check the items. We have mystic box. Now what we do from there, we can reveal, go to fusion chamber, reveal, success rate 100%. And we reveal. So it's first an approval and then the final transaction. So let's hope for something good. All right, what do we get? I don't have a total score yet, but we got a keyboard, 2 keyboards, a headset, and that doesn't look like a headset. That looks like a phone, and a chair. Okay, so we can exchange ores. Okay, if you got the ore from the Galaxy event, you need to proceed with exchanging ore step. So we'll go here, and where is that at? Oh, in the KCU factory. Okay, so you can. Oh, I don't see the exchange part on there. Interesting. So get ores. Yeah, I don't see where it says to exchange them from. They might have incorporated it already, but no, I don't know. Either way, we'll kind of move on. Airdrop, we figured that. So gate, so where you can mint your Kromans so we can equip them. And we have a desk and a mouse and a keyboard. So there. So we can equip. Okay. Now you equip. Submit. And this guy should be equipped. So that way they'll show up like that. Armory. Yeah. So you can add. And the score of 5 Kroman you equipped is related to the KRO airdrop. Boom, right here. So if you equip a full set, same rarity of the Pro Gamers item, the background effect gets activated. Ooh, shit. Okay. So if you have equip more. So if you have these reveal. Okay. So in the armory, if you have that, all these equip, then the background changes. So that's pretty cool. So check this article for the relationship between ore and the KRO airdrop. So Oretopia, we've already gone over this. So what is ore? Yep, you'll need to collect them, get your mystic boxes, and yeah, pretty much get cooking. So here's the inventory. You have your ore fragments. I'm gonna go ahead and combine all these to make my mystic alloy, and then get the mystic boxes. Recipe. So 2 fragments create an ore. 1 ore is a mystic alloy. So you need 2 ores to create 2 mystic alloys, and then those 2 create a mystic box. So you need twice as many ores and mystic alloys than the mystic box. And then you get the gamer's item. There's the docs right here. You can join this contest on X to August 15th. Show off your Kroma PFP. And yeah, that's your Chroman PFP. So pretty neat little gamification of this. 40 in here. So that way I'm just going to refine them all. And oh, actually, no. I'm going to fuse these fragments. That way I can have more of the ores. So yeah, get in here, fuse everything, get this stuff going, rack up as many collectibles as you can from the fusion chamber. So try and be as active as you can with some of the quests and campaigns. I think I've covered plenty in the past, so take a look. I'll post those in the description below too. But yeah, also if you do need help, please jump in the Discord. Perfect way for us to connect with you and help you through any issues you may have here. So get in there, reach out to us, and we will help you as best as we can. But with that, this is the Blockchain Report. Have a wonderful day, homies. Peace.